Yes.
Ilang boss? Ganun. Hindi. Maylin, happy 50th birthday. I pray that God grant you the desires, the wisdom, strength, and courage to fulfill your purpose in the world. May this new year of your life brings you joy, peace, and love. Alam namin lahat na kung gaano ka-responsible. Diyan bilib ako sa'yo. Na napaka-responsible mo, kaya mong hawakan ng family mo at saka yung family mo sa Philippines na parang ikaw yung nanay at tatay nila. So, meron akong pinong verse sa Isaiah 55:8-9. Nakalagay dito, let us put our complete trust in God because His ways and plans are always better than our own. Nawa ay patuloy kang magpagamit sa Panginoon to spread kabutihan niya sa iyong buhay. May God watch over you and keep you always. Happy 50th birthday. Love you so much.
Thank you, Tita Jane. So next,